Hi, my name is Helen LaBelle. My husband and we lived in Northern Ontario, Canada. When I was 30 years old, I experienced this excruciating pain in my neck close to my collarbone. Things got worse. I started suffering from severe headache, severe neck pain, stiffness. I had pinched nerve in my neck, causing numbness in my face and head. Eventually, it went down my arms with numbness in my hand. I had severe left and right shoulder pain and rotary cuff tear in my right. I was suffering from the severe, painful frozen shoulder on both sides. My left and right shoulder were very weak. I couldn't even lift my arms due to severe weakness. For 37 years, I couldn't lift my arms above my shoulder. I had chest pain, rib cage pain, severe pain in my ribs, severe pain in my collarbone, shortness of breath, difficulty taking a deep breath, and a consistent dry cough. I had neck pain and upper back pain, mid-back pain, and lower back pain. My left and right arm felt heavy during arm movement, and without arm movement, my arms were just too heavy to lift. I had left and right elbow pain, forearm pain, wrist pain, left hand. My fingers were stiff and painful. I was diagnosed with carpal tunnel syndrome. My shoulder and arm, forearm, hand, and fingers were severely numb on the left and right, and my hands were ice cold. I was really losing grip strength noticeably. It was hard for me to do basic activity of daily living. I soon found out I was suffering from Thoracic Outlet Syndrome for 37 years. On top of TOS, I suffered from chronic fatigue. And on top of all these symptoms, I suffered with extreme fatigue, dizziness, and vertigo. I had brain fog, short temper, stress, anxiety, depression, emotional damage for years. I became antisocial. My whole life came to a halt, being very limited in what I could do. I couldn't do any sports, painting, or very limited in gardening. I've gone to medical doctors, chiropractor, physical therapists, and massage therapists. The medical doctors gave me prescription drugs, physiotherapy, muscle relaxant, narcotics, antidepressant. The medications were masking the symptoms, alleviating some of the pain, but no real long-term relief. The chiropractor gave me pressure treatment points and adjustment. That gave me a short-term result, and sometimes I got worse. I went to a physical therapist who recommended hydrotherapy, pressure point treatment, exercise, which helped me with my mobility, but not much for pain. I went to massage therapists who would give me massage, which would relax me, but no relief from pain. I went to Mayo Clinic in Minnesota and was diagnosed with myofascial pain and then diagnosed with fibromyalgia. I saw numerous doctors, specialists, rheumatologists, but no one diagnosed me with the Thoracic Outlet Syndrome. I did physiotherapy, hydrotherapy, weekly massage, regular chiropractic adjustment, acupuncture, homeopathic medicine, and saw a kinesiologist. I tried a massage ball, trigger point massage tool, hot stone, heating pads, and electric muscle stimulator. I tried other vibration therapy devices, but they didn't help me. The massage ball didn't help much. I tried electronic muscle stimulation, but it made me much worse. The trigger point tools didn't work long term. The hot stone were relaxing, but did not relieve my pain. The heating pad helped with a little bit of the pain, but maybe just to sleep. I tried the TENS machine, which made it much worse. I tried an acupuncture machine, which helped, but a bit only temporarily. I tried numerous oils and pain relief treatments. I went to a chiropractor who had a vibromassage. One of his patients had severe thoracic outlet, had surgery for thoracic outlet syndrome, and was much worse after the operation. I was introduced to his patient, Danielle, and we talked at great length over the phone. Instead, she got the surgery called a first rib resection. and scalonectomy, which means she had the rib at the base of her neck surgically cut out and the neck muscle cut out too. After the operation, she had a lot more pain, which did not go away for years. She told me that after receiving treatment from Dr. Stockton, she now has her life back. She recommended that I buy the Human Spring Approach to Thoracic Outlet Syndrome by James Stockton. She also said Dr. Stockton gave her a vibrating massage device called a Vibrosage, which Dr. Stockton used on her at his office. When she left, she picked up the portable version of the Vibrosage Pro called the Vibrosage to use at home and continue the treatment. I purchased the Vibrosage from Dr. Stockton and I started working on my areas of pain. At that time, I had sciatic nerve pain for maybe a month. After using 2 or 3 times a day for 1 or 2 hours, the sciatic pain went completely away within a week. I also had excruciating back pain. I repeated the treatment I did on my sciatic nerve, on my lower back, and again, after weeks, the pain was completely gone. I thought that Dr. Stockton was smart enough to invent this incredible self-treatment device. He could help me with all my other painful conditions like he did with Danielle. My husband and I contacted Dr. Stockton by video call. He spent hours with my husband and I on the phone. He started asking me detailed questions about my condition from the first pain I had in my life. He worked slowly with me through the years, asking me about my tests, the doctors, the therapist I saw, and what worked and what didn't. Then he gave us a logical explanation why the treatment didn't work and could never work, and what approach would work. He went over everything he found very thoroughly and how it affected me and how he planned on reversing it and how long they estimated it would take. We were on the phone for at least 3 hours and he never charged us. We decided to travel from Sudbury to Chicago and get his treatment for the Thoracic Outlet Syndrome and maybe other condition. At first, we were very hopeful. I mean, this Vibrosage already solved 2 major conditions for me without seeing doctors. We felt we already got results without seeing him yet, so we were on our way to Chicago. Honestly, my husband Jean-Guy and I were still skeptical. So many doctors promised they could help me, and then I got nowhere and sometimes worse. It gets to you, and soon you lose hope. You start thinking you have to live with the pain for the rest of your life. We almost pulled out. My husband got on the phone with Dr. Stockton and he assured us I would get better. We drove 12 hours from Sudbury to Chicago, stopping pretty regularly because I was in a lot of pain sitting in the car all the time. When I arrived, Dr. Stockton did a 3-hour examination on me. He did the standard orthopedic, reflexes, and other examination, but he did something other doctors didn't do. He touched me where it really hurt. He gauged the tenderness and level of tension of virtually every single muscle in my body. I looked over and noticed he had 9 pages of findings and notes. I had never been examined like that. It was extremely thorough. Then the treatment started. He started the treatment with the Vibrosage Pro that really made me feel great quickly. I had the inventor of the Vibrosage treating me. Then he did hand on deep tissue on the muscle of the thoracic outlet and later just about every stiff and sore muscle of my body for hours at a time. After receiving 2 hours of the Vibrosage each day and these meticulous precision deep tissue treatment for thoracic outlet, my neck was completely pain-free. Everything was pain-free in my neck, shoulder, chest, arms, hands, and fingers were completely gone. I could raise my hands and arm above my head. I still can. I had no more numbness in my face, no more TMJ problem, no more headaches. My arms and hands were no longer ice cold. I had better circulation in my body with warm extremities. My hands and feet were always cold. Even in the summertime, I had to put socks on at night. Now, sometimes I have to leave my feet out of the blanket because they get too hot. What an extreme difference in a week of treatment. Dr. Stockton sold us the Professional Vibromassage Pro he used on me for a discount. He instructed Jean-Guy, my husband, how to treat me with it, and now I get daily treatment for maintenance to feel great. At the time I saw Dr. Stockton, I was on morphine for 5 years for pain. I took gabapentin for the fibromyalgia I didn't have. I was taking mycophenolic acid for lupus. I took robaxacet for muscle pain. I took prednisone for unexplained fevers, trazodone for depression and difficulty sleeping, allergy pill, water pill, blood pressure medication. When I finished being treated by Dr. Stockton, I had my doctor take me off all pain medication. I'm only taking medication for the lupus now. This was a life-changing experience. I'm very thankful for Dr. Stockton's kindness, expertise, wisdom, and hard work working on me for hours and hours to make me feel myself again after 37 years of chronic pain and suffering. Thank you.